is sick. Woo! Doesn't work. Done. Woo! Oh, we just gotta wait for more fireworks. There we go. Whoa! Oh my God! These are our neighborhood fireworks. These are awesome. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was awesome. Oh, here we go again. I'm gonna back up because they're like right over our head. And I want to get this whole thing on video. Oh, here we go again. These are sick. Oh my God, there are cars coming down the road as he's doing this. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, he has to go around. He has to go around the whole thing. I hope he has more. He's probably gonna have like tons. It's 2 down. I don't know how many left. Oh, setting up another one. Alrighty. It's my mom. I'm posting this on YouTube. Our fireworks. That's awesome. Everyone posts random things on YouTube. Oh, here we go. It's another car. This is awesome. Whoa. I don't know what that was. Dancing in the street. Oh, this one looks big. This one looks. Oh, our neighborhood is awesome. There's people standing on the corners. Oh, he's doing 2. Oh my God. He's doing 2 at once. Holy crap. Holy crap. He's lined up 2.
Excuse me, there's one down there.
He's got 3. Oh my God. This is gonna be awesome. This video is gonna take a long time.
Back up, please.
I'm good.
Right now. But not on good. Get back to it right now.
Ma, I want to videotape it.
You'll be able to see it. Wow.
You sound like a little kid, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Woo! Old Smokey.
Look at the holes.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Elm sideways. Whoa, Elm like flew behind me. Wow. Whoa, here we go.
Hide.
These are like professional fireworks on our street. On like a normal street. Like, really. Like, woo! Hope he has more. Alright, I'll post another video if it starts again. Bye!